Today's video is brought to you by Cleary Co Solicitors. The topic of today's video is about holiday accident claims. A holiday is supposed to be a time you take off away from the usual daily tasks to relax your mind with friends, family, or just alone. You expect to have great times devoid of misfortunes. Unfortunately, just like it would be at home, you are not immune to injuries and illnesses during holidays, and accidents can happen. The question now is, what happens if you get involved in one, and what are your options? We are a law firm that assists people with cases of this nature and can assist you on matters of international holiday accident claims where negligence arises. So, what do you do if you have an accident abroad? Depending on the nature of the injury, document the details of the accident as much as you can. Take names of witnesses, including the addresses, phone numbers, the time of the accident, and capture photos of the accident scene to prove that the accident occurred. Remember to maintain your expenditure receipts for use when seeking damages. Report the accident to your travel agency or the person in charge of your places of residence. These parties should be able to assist you in making an official report to the police, as they have a better understanding of the laws and procedures of the country you are visiting. If they fail to be of help, you can report the incident yourself. It is essential to get a copy of these reports, as they will support your claims when you return to Ireland. In case you undergo medical examinations and treatment, keep the medical reports and receipts of payments made directly or through your medical insurance cover. You are also eligible to make a holiday accident claim for any loss suffered as a result of third parties not exercising due care on their part, or when their conduct fails short of expected standards. We have seen situations where people who are injured while on holiday prefer to wait and attend with their own doctor back home instead of availing their local medical services. In terms of Spain, the medical care available and accessible is, in our opinion, excellent. One should not be hesitant to attend with a local doctor or hospital who will more than likely be able to communicate with you in your language. You may have a European medical card in your possession. Common holiday injuries. You are more likely to get injuries while on holidays based on the nature of activities you want to partake in. This is because, unlike your regular working days, you are exposed to unfamiliar territories, activities, and other nations' driving habits or road systems. The most common injuries or illnesses include road accidents, slips and falls on slippery surfaces, and accidents from water sports. Legal time limits and holiday accident claims. This defines how soon you need to make a claim after you've suffered an injury. Beyond this time, your application will be null and void. This time frame varies from one country to another. In Ireland, it is 2 years minus a day to take legal action, and insurers is registered with the correct legal name of the defendant in the Injuries Board. How long does a holiday accident claim case take? One should file their holiday accident claim as soon as possible to the Injuries Board via online application or mailing print copies as a first step. The board will then issue what is termed an authorisation, which entitles the person to commence legal proceedings here in Ireland to resolve the dispute. How long the case will take can depend on the severity of your injury, the defendant's actions, and your desire to have the matter resolved. How to progress a holiday accident claim. Claims made for injuries suffered while on a package holiday provided by an Irish holiday provider must pass through Injuries Board. After that, a claim can be brought before the court or processed for a resolution. Package Holidays Act 1995. It can be a headache for you to deal with unfamiliar legal systems while abroad. The Package Holidays and Travel Trade Act 1995 of Ireland was enacted to give holidaymakers a reprieve. It clearly states that anyone travelling on a package holiday has the right to initiate a holiday accident claim against a tour operator, whether the accident took place within the country or abroad. Hence, when you are back home, you can bring forth a claim for redress. While you are enjoying your holiday abroad, injuries and accidents may occur and completely change your life for the short time or a longer term. However, Ireland has laws to protect and allow you to seek redress by taking legal action here in Ireland. Disclaimer: please be advised that the mentioned material in this video is intended as an overview and is a broad outline of the topic discussed. It should not be considered as complete and comprehensive legal advice, nor act as an appropriate substitute. Due care has been taken in the publication of this video. We do not accept legal liability as a result of reliance on any material covered in the above article.